सर जैसा मैंने सुना है that engineering is not just about the machines and equations and it's about building the future, solving the real problems and also turning imaginations into reality. तो कितना सच है ये?
You are right, Saima. Engineering is a great fascination.
Okay.
I started my journey into engineering way back in '68 when I went to Engineering University, Lahore. There was only one university and one NED college.
Okay.
It's a great fascination. You know, मेरे रब ने कहा है सूरह मुल्क में, देखो ऊपर तुम्हारे घनघनाते जानवर जा रहे हैं, कभी तुमने गौर किया इनको किसने थामा हुआ है?
Wow.
It's a technology.
Yes.
Today you see the aircrafts
Yeah.
moving up.
Yes.
You know, the weight of the 747 is 180 tons.
Wow.
Tear weight. And 120 tons, it takes fuel. 60 ton in one wing and 60 ton in other wing. So practically 300 tons. Boy, 1 ton has 1,000 kg. 300 tons when 747 comes back after fueling 300 tons.
Yes.
Then 50 tons is passengers and cargo.
Yes.
And then the bird goes up in the sky.
Yes.
You know, this is a wonderful thing. I've been sitting in the cockpit with some of my friends when I was flying in the early days. So this is how they see. They push 50,000 pounds, 50,000 pound forward thrust is developed because of the combustion. High octane fuel is there, and they turn on the electrical igniters and the combustion takes place. You know, all scientific principles.
Wow.
And the forward thrust is developed, and it moves like a push cart. You know, if you sit in the cockpit, the captain is just pushing things. The fuel spray through the atomizers.
Wow.
And then forward thrust is developing in 4 engines. The minute they give the 16 degrees to the flaps, the bird goes up in the sky at the 300 miles when the speed is there on the runway.
So that
This is a great fascination.
Yeah.
और कुरान पाक में भी हमें कहा गया है, हर सूरत के बाद ये गौर करने वाले के लिए और समझने वालों के लिए इशारे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
मेरे रब ने सब कुछ खुल के बता दिया है सूरह हदीद में कि मैंने उतारा लोहा जिसमें इतनी ताकत है, हिद्दत है कि इंसानों के फ़ायदे हैं. तो खुदा की ज़ात ने हमें क्या नहीं दिया, हमें बस काम करना है. इंजीनियरिंग इज़ ए ग्रेट फैसिनेशन. आई हैव बीन मोटिवेटेड बाय दैट.
ओके, तो इसका मतलब है कि किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी जो मतलब ज़ाहिर है हमने उसका एक मेजर डिपार्टमेंट है.
Engineering department, I am heading it since the start, inception. I started the things from the day one. I established 30 labs. One of the best labs, 10 labs for civil engineering, 10 labs for electrical engineering, focused on the engineering, 10 labs for mechanical engineering. In civil engineering, we have got many labs where you see the concrete testing, tensile testing, material properties, compression, beam testing, environmental degradation. Then you go over to the electrical. I establish, power generation, power transmission, distribution, all these labs, state of the art. I really want people to come and see our institute. Now it's a University of Southern Punjab, and see for themselves. Seeing is believing.
Yes.
Likewise, in mechanical engineering, we have got air conditioning, refrigeration lab, theory of machines, mechanics of machines. All these labs are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. So really, I urge the students who are watching me, listening to my programs, they should come over, dash to opposite DHA, University of Southern Punjab. I'll be happy to meet them and tell them, buddies, don't go anywhere else. Just stick around, do 4-year degree programs and do masters. They are all accredited by Pakistan Engineering Council and Washington Accord. If they want, Washington Accord has the beauty that you don't have to go test abroad. If you go for job in any country, once you are accredited level 2, and we are all accredited. My civil engineering department, electrical, they are all accredited. Mechanical is now going to come out.
तो इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ का जो ग्रेजुएट है यूनिवर्सिटी,
he can get a job all over the world.
बिल्कुल, तो ये उसका करियर ऑप्शन.
Yeah, this is what we try our best. We improve his communication too. So when he goes abroad, he should not be dummy there. He should be able to move about.
मैं पूछने लगी थी कि चलें जो टेक्निकल नॉलेज है, जो थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज है, वो तो उसको मिल रहा है. What about the soft skills?
soft skills is very important. We give emphasis. I tell my faculty, I have got around 35 faculty, most of them are PhDs. I really tell them, always motivate them, try to speak in Urdu and English so that the minute you sit on the plane, it's all English. You can't
Yes.
say in Urdu. So although it's a wonderful, our own language, but the point is that the world is global. It has
Yeah.
become a global village. So the students, our
If
students
they want
are,
to go abroad
yes,
for a career,
abroad, they should
then
be
they
able to
should know.
speak and communicate, and then ethics.
Yeah.
Ethically, ethics is very important. Actually, by the way, ethics I teach them, and in their different semesters, 4
Yes.
semesters. So
Okay.
we put a greater emphasis on the soft skills, which is a need of the day.
सर इस वक्त ये जो एआई का दौर है, डिजिटल दौर है, उसमें आप इंजीनियरिंग को फ्लरिश करते देख रहे
Artificial
हैं?
intelligence is one of the things which has come up, and it is going to, I tell you, it's going to come in every field.
Yes.
Artificial intelligence.
Yes.
So it's going to be revolution practically.
तो क्या ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एआई जो है वो ह्यूमन को कहीं रिप्लेस कर देगा? और
Well, I
engineer-
personally think human being has their own role to play. Artificial intelligence is one thing, it will facilitate.
Yes.
But human beings, you have, God gifted software is there,
Yes.
which is creative, which create the things.
Yeah.
Then artificial intelligence can move it further and into different
Human
applications.
have the capacity to imagine the things.
Yes. Human
Then-
being cannot be replaced.
ओह, तो ये एक तसल्ली हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स को
Yes.
है वो होनी चाहिए कि
Yes,
इंजीनियरिंग
yes.
की फील्ड में अभी बहुत
Both, they have a
ज़्यादा।
lot of work to do. I
बहुत
walk to the
space है।
students. I take tutorial with different engineering groups, and I tell them that, look, boys, you got a wonderful future waiting for you. Only you have to excel. You have to excel in your discipline. We have got electrical engineering. We have got mechanical engineering. We have got civil engineering. Further, they have got many branches in electrical. You have
Like-
got computer system. You have got
Yes.
telecom. You have got electronics.
रोबोटिक्स का भी हमारे पास कोई बन रहा है?
Pardon me?
रोबोटिक्स का भी
Robotics is one of the part of our electrical engineering
Yes.
systems.
So-
Robotics and neural networks.
Yes.
And then control engineering, we have got our students do practicals, their hands-on experience.
Yeah.
And our greater emphasis is let them do the practical themselves and use their hand and see the concepts. This is what I do.
Yeah.
Greater emphasis. I walk to the laboratories where the teachers are showing them the equipment and the practicals, and I ask them, give a greater emphasis on the applications so that they should know the practical they are doing, what they are going to go in the industry, they should see the application of that.
सो इंडस्ट्री उनके लिए जो है वो इंतजार कर रही है, वो
Industry
खुद को
is
equip
waiting.
कर रहे हैं।
Pakistan is going to be industrialized very quickly. It is already having a lot of industries, but some of them are not functional. But I am optimistic with the present government policies. It's moving forward, and they try to make it more industries to come. And naturally, our students have a bright future, but we'll make them global.
Yeah,
They should be able to
definitely.
work overseas because
Yeah.
it's a global village. My lot of students are working in Dubai. My students are working in Europe, in England, in United States. So the students have the freedom. Once they have a good qualification, it's a motivation. Engineering is a motivation.
Wow.
You love to go abroad and see what new things are coming up. So I see students inspiring. We do the masters as well. So the students do their master studies with us, and then they go to do for PhD. So I say, okay, keep it up, keep
Yeah.
moving.
सही। वैसे
Motivation.
तो सर आपकी तमाम गुफ्तगू ही बहुत मोटिवेशन
Well, I try.
लेकिन जितना भी अभी तक आपने शेयर किया, इसके बावजूद मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा आपकी तरफ से कोई मैसेज जाए जो अट्रैक्ट करे कि इंजीनियरिंग जो है वो उनका फ्यूचर है।
Engineering
students
is
का।
the name of the game for tomorrow.
Wow.
They don't have
Name
to
of
look
the game.
around. They don't have to look around here and there.
Yeah.
It's a discipline, my dear.
Okay.
It's a profession. Electrical engineer, you have a profession, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not something 4 years you burn your candle, midnight oil, and then you become a professional engineer.
Yes.
Then you do your masters, and then you go and work in the industry. Civil engineering, make cities, make towns. It's a professional degree, my dear. Likewise, mechanical engineer.
Yes.
Every machine has an engineer behind it.
Yes.
We look at the compressors. So many industries is coming up, and engineers have a bright future. It goes up and down, but it's only temporary. I see it. That's why I tell the boys that don't be disappointed, my dear. The jobs are there. Only they go up and down. Sometimes the electrical goes up, mechanical is down. Sometimes the civil goes up and civil is down. You know, when I went to university way back in '68 at UET Lahore, everybody was going to electrical. Electrical. Wabda House was coming up at that time. Roll number one was electrical.
Okay.
And civil was down. People were saying, "Yaar, you to civil mein ja raha hai, so overseer lagega." You know.
Sahi.
So, but then the things changed and civil went on the top
Yes.
and electrical was down. So this is how the government policies, power transmission. But still Pakistan is a growing country. We have a lot of things going on, projects going on,
So
new
we need
dams
a lot of
coming up.
engineers.
Lot of future is there,
Okay.
you know.
So thank you so much, sir. आपने अपना wisdom share
Oh, thank
किया,
you very much,
अपना
Sama.
experience share
I'm
किया.
always welcome.
It's my pleasure that
Thank
I
you
have
very
you
much.
on this show.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much,
you.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.